Namaste students, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया. I am Javins Dr. Neeraj Dholia, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jayati Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. So today we will discuss the practical session, that is the study of TS of tests. So this session we have already having one lecture on this, and this is the second lecture for the same practical session. So, the testes are the primary reproductive organ of a male, and we term the primary reproductive organ to such an organ which can produce the gametes or the sex cells. So, for the requirement, you need the microscope, you need the permanent slide of the testes of mammalian mammal, maybe mice, maybe rat, maybe human. Okay. And you need some tissue paper to wipe the lenses of the microscope and the slides. So the procedure will be clean. First of all, you will clean the slide and the microscope. Then you will fix the slide in the microscopic stage. Then focus. First of all, you will do the focus. Then in for the better magnification and better clear images, you will need the fine adjustment. After the adjustment, you observe the organ structure and the anatomy in the microscopic image, and you will relate what you have studied with your theory sessions. So the in the anatomy of the testis, it comprises the several seminiferous tubules. Okay, when you have the cross section or the transverse section of the testis, you will see various seminiferous tubules embedded in the interstitial tissues, and a thick fibrous tissue called the tunica albuginea cover the testis. So it comprises different types of cells. You will recognize them and you will identify them from the outer side to the lunar side, and the cells are present are the spermatogonia, the spermatocytes, spermatids, spermatozoa, or the sperms. There are few other cells also there in the tissue. One is the Sertoli cells, which are located between the germinal cells, and the second is the leading cells that produce the testosterone hormone and are present in the interstitial tissue. So the formation of the sperm or the male gamete is known as the spermatogenesis. Okay, spermatogenesis, and this spermatogenesis occurs in the three phases: the multiplication phase, growth phase, and maturation phase. So here is the anatomy of the testis. So these are the seminiferous tubules. The 3 to 4 seminiferous tubules are there in one chamber. Then this is the thick fibrous tissue, the tunica albuginea. Okay. Then the seminiferous tubules merges here at the last portion of this structure, and they will emerge, and again the formation of the epididymis here. So this is the epididymis. So it have three parts: the body, head, and tail, and this is known as the vasa deferens. So again, this is the structure of the testis. The coverings are known as tunica vaginalis, tunica vaginalis cavity. This is tunica albuginea. These are the seminiferous tubules. The septa which creates the various uh, chambers known as the septula testis. This is the mediastinum testis, the rete testis. This is vasa efferentia, vasa deferens. The head of the epidermis is known as caput epidermis. The mid portion is known as the corpus epidermis, and the last portion, the tail portion of epidermis, is known as the coda epidermis. So the precautions: you handle the microscope with care, and handle the slides with care, and adjust the lenses such as that the focus is better, and in the result you have to write what you have observed under the microscope. So thank you. This is Hope you are satisfied with this digital session, and if you have any query, please write in the comment box. I will resolve your query. This session is powered by Digital Version 2, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Thank you.